Kusama is one such organization that offers numerous answers for its clients, bringing different blockchains on one bound-together organization. Transcending as a spearheading project executed on a shared organization, Kusama has tremendous advantages to offer viz. Shared security of handoff chains and parachains, including flawless administration. The improved framework permits plentiful functionalities of marking and operability as approved by engineers. Kusama's local token is KSM, which means three primary purposes: administration over the organization, marking, and holding, contrasted with different tokens. Before we start with fair-minded Kusama cost forecast, actually take a look at complete coin outline. Kusama, the Constitution. The whole programming on the Kusama project is open source, gaining by the in addition to points of Bitcoin and Ethereum. Kusama guarantees perfectly clear straightforwardness and complete exchange privacy, making it a versatile organization, despite the fact that exchanges are kept in the general blockchain. Neither the source nor the beneficiary and the sum moved are markers for different clients on the organization, putting the power at last in the possession of clients. Kusama has ordinary redesign plans, and that implies this convention by engineers like Gavin Wood is versatile to meet the different use instances of today and the unexpected use instances of tomorrow. Likewise, the corporate mission of Kusama isn't to lead exclusively on the development way. The corporate has arranged large for the future, leaving on different organizations in coordinated efforts, being recorded on prominent cryptographic money trades like Coinbase and Binance and their information. The KSM badge of Kusama offers a protected and reliable stage to its brokers for financial planning and furthermore empowering lesser charges and a plenty of computerized and manufactured resources for single out from. These redesigns and effective tie-ups have sped up the energy at the cost of Kusama coin, making the ecosphere of savvy contracts all over. The update has raised the cost of the KSM token, the local badge of the Kusama organization, on trade significantly. Kusama Specialized Examination. The fruitful ICO of Kusama drifted in 2019 October was met with thundering achievement, and it raised more than $140 million, selling north of 10 million KSM supply. While during the send-off, the cost of Kusama was exchanging around at $1.50. The dealer's buy pattern carried it to a degree of $62 toward the finish of 2020. To make the most reliable Kusama cost expectations, one of the main advances is to examine KSM's previous presentation. Soon after KSM showed up on the trade, its most memorable huge flood came. Around April and May, its cost rose from $2 to $7, an extensive leap that mirrored an enormous measure of early financial backers' revenue in the digital money market examination. Among October and December 2020, its cost jumped up from $27 to $62. Shockingly, starting from the start of this current year, the cost of the Kusama coin has displayed an uncommon change, fluctuating between $70 to $623. Consequently, the cost of Kusama acquired financial backer certainty, and the coin saw an extraordinary flood in force. Somewhat recently, Kusama enlisted its new all-time high of $623. Be that as it may, in the wake of hitting an ATH, the KSM token confronted a critical value drop to $262. A ton of exchanges unfolded, and cash changed hands as indicated by information. Kusama figures, market feeling. Kusama cost is right now moving around $130.02, and the coin has a market capitalization of $1,109,168,389.32 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $54,281,778.32. The circling supply of 8,470,098 KSM. In view of our Kusama cost estimate, a drawn-out increment is normal. The cost guess for 2026 is $641.56. With a 5-year speculation, the income is supposed to be around plus 393.8%. The Kusama cost is anticipated to reach $107.53 by the start of December 2022. The normal greatest cost is $134.41. Lease cost $91.40. By January 2023 end, it ought to handily swing around $120.82, making it a wise venture. The cost of Kusama could fall dramatically in the forthcoming years. Kusama has been giving a positive indication. As indicated by our expectation benefits, the future cost of the KSM USD is estimated at $847.49 following a year. What's in store holds splendid for Kusama. It may not be an exaggeration to say it would surpass a cost of $830 per KSM for exchange on the trade diagram. As indicated by our estimation, a 10 times yearly increment every year is a great speculation resource contrasted with Bitcoin and different coins. Kusama Value Forecast 2023. going by concentrating on more limited and longer value patterns and estimate information. KSM cost has been deviating from its way typically every several years. So proceeding, almost certainly, the finish of 2022 or the year 2023 may not be really ideal for KSM cost for raising, particularly with rivals finding intensity or markets playing find the stowaway. There is an anticipated possibility of KSM cost causing a misfortune, however, just pitiful, dropping to $214.04 once more. Nonetheless, this stays as a negative situation, and a few specialists disagree with this disorder. Kusama Value Forecast 2024. There is no such thing as expressing that a stunning chance in that bulls will ride the crypto market. It is by and by expected in light of the figure that KSM cost will run the crypto realm with an exhibition of greatest cost fixed at $243.90, which shows KSM cost can possibly support as well as reliably fill even in unfavorable circumstances as conceded by the Organization of Virtual Entertainment Channels. Kusama Value Forecast 2025. This year could check as the benchmark year as KSM cost is anticipated to outperform $281.89 definitely. This year, no vital variables like pandemic or downturn are supposed to shake the foundations of world economies, and it is normal that the vast majority of the harm done would be making a course for fix work in store for every world economy. KSM is assessed to stretch around $225 minus $285 by 2025, in view of our figures with mass reception. Kusama Value Expectation 2026. The crypto projections and expectations from that point forward have begun floating towards positive thinking as opposed to cynicism. The KSM cost expectation for this entire year remains very uplifting, expressing that KSM cost could exchange around the $257.78 mark. Could I at any point bring in cash with KSM? To be sure, yes. As indicated by our estimates, Kusama is certainly a productive speculation for what's to come. Since Kusama is only a couple of years old, its most minimal cost execution also has not been frustrating. The development in KSM costs can be followed steadily for an upswing. Financial backers are encouraged to do their own estimations and examination from Google or specialists' reports following the market figure for KSM tokens in the genuine climate. For what reason is the Kusama token cost rising? The credit for that goes to the confidence financial backers have rested in the resource, as it shows a long-haul procuring potential contrasted with different coins in light of blockchain like Bitcoin and so on. Simultaneously, it is an obvious explanation that Kusama is recorded on the trade, being a mark of an extraordinary exhibition regarding future gauges. No big surprise, the symbolic shows a consistent all-time high situation subsequently for merchants to profit from this token. Where might I at any point purchase Kusama? As a guileless participant, all regarded trades end up exhibiting this KSM token on their item range. You additionally will more often than not benefit from exchange KSM straightforwardly for government-issued types of money like USD, EUR, GBP, and so on, or other digital currencies on many trades. Financial backers can likewise profit from the block rewards program on Kusama. How would I make my Kusama wallet? Your passkeys to arrive at the digital money wallet stay saved money on yourself.